We all know what ChatGPT is and how much popular this site is at the moment. But some users complain that they have issues with this site and can't use it properly. So if you are one of that persons, watch this video and I will show you few possible solutions to fix this issue with ChatGPT website. Hi and welcome to my channel. If you find this video useful, please support me with like. And now let's jump into methods. As I said, at the moment this site is so popular and bunch of people using it, and that can be issue also. As the site tells you, huge demand has caused the site to crash. Other than that, it could be that the site is going under some maintenance. To check that, you can open this site, down for everyone or just me. Paste OpenAI URL and check is the site down. At the time I was recording this video, the site was down for all. So there is nothing I could do about it except wait. If everything is okay, then try next method. You will delete cookies and cache data for OpenAI site in your web browser. For this tutorial I will use Google Chrome. Click on these three dots in top right corner and select Settings. On the left side, select Privacy and Security. Click on Cookies and other site data. Scroll down and select See all site data and permissions. Here in search bar you will type OpenAI. Now click on this trash can icon and select Clear to delete all data for OpenAI. Now close Google Chrome, open it again and go to OpenAI and see did this method fix your problem. If not, you can try to disable all extensions you are using in your web browser. There could be some extensions that are interfering with OpenAI page, so turning them off could also fix this problem. To turn off extensions, click on this extensions icon and select Manage Extensions, or click on three dots on the right, go on More Tools and select Extensions. This will open your extensions page. Go over your extensions one by one and disable them all. Then go back to OpenAI and try will ChatGPT work now. Next, what you can try is to use VPN. If these issues you have is caused by your location or your internet, using VPN can fix that. To install VPN, search for Chrome Web Store. Open the page and in search bar type VPN. Select the one you want. I will just use this first one. Click on it and select Add to Chrome. Click on Add Extension. When it's ready, click on Extensions and select it. Change country and go to OpenAI and see that this worked. If you are still unable to use this site correctly, try to use different web browser and check will that help. And with this we came to the end of this video. I hope I managed to help you with this problem. If I did, please hit that like button. If you want to buy me an ice cream, hit thanks button. Subscribe with the bell on if you haven't already, so you don't miss my next video. Until then, stay safe and I see you all.